Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and today I'm going to take you through a realistic day in the life of a trader. Not a day in the life where people are going out shopping every day, buying a car. That's not a day in the life. A day in the life is really what is a normal routine and what type of routine do you have to succeed in this game, right? Because you need to be disciplined, you need to have consistency. In order to have consistency, you need routine. You can't build consistency without routine, and we're going to go through basic what a day looks like for me and what routine I follow in order to stay consistent. And yeah, it's a sick video, a lot of information on here, and definitely a fun thing to watch. We go smash a sick workout, so I definitely advise you to watch till the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoy it, and if you do enjoy it, consider hitting the like and subscribe if you're new. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So as the introduction said, this is going to be a realistic day in the life, and that's going to start off with me for setting up first for a live stream. So I do these pre-session live streams which I've started recently, and I basically come to the charts, plan the trades for the session. If there's a trade on stream, I take it, and if not, then we have the plan which will enable us to execute the trades, right? And I kind of do that to show the process. And if you guys want to make it anywhere in trading, you have to have this discipline and this type of routine where you're showing up to the charts the same time every single day. You know, you're looking for the same similar setups and moves. If you're showing up one day later, one day earlier, and just expect to find moves, this is a really bad practice, and this is where a lot of you guys are going to fail in these markets. So you notice every single successful trader, they all show up to the charts at the same time, look for the same moves and replicate that, and that's how they have a winning strategy or method to trade, and that's as simple as that. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the stream, and for you guys, you're going to see a time lapse, and I need to take this camera here and use that for the stream. So catch you on there. All right, guys, so this was the trade. We actually took it on stream. So my plan was, if I didn't get a trade on stream, I was going to record it when I was taking the trade, but on stream it's a bit tough to do that. So I'll pop the stream clip up. You can see the trade being taken on stream. If this flips and close back in the range, I'll close for a 2-pip loss. So 1 hour resistance is where I'll go break even. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even now. Yeah, stop loss gonna be at break even. Yeah, that was huge thunder. Oh shit, this is pushing nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna close at this 1 hour resistance. I'm done. That's a small scalp, easy trade. Yeah, find another entry closer to London Open. But yeah, I'll just be done with that trade. Just a small trade, a little plus. Apart from that, it's a small scalp here. Not really, but this is the end of the month, so I really drop risk very heavily towards the end of the month and just focus on preserving the profits and trying to slowly increase. But if I take losses, it's not going to eat into the profits, because a mistake I used to make in the past is I used to push very hard at the end of the month and take a few losses, which then I'm kind of have to not chase, because I don't chase losses, but then I'm kind of trying to make those back in the beginning of the month. And long term, it kind of makes it tough. So if you've had a successful beginning of the month, you don't need to push too hard at the end of the month, and you can be more lenient on risk. So, you know, going from 4-figure risk to maybe something like, you know, $400 maybe is a lot more comfortable. You're very stress free, just making those small gains and being able to take, you know, possibly riskier setups, more aggressive setups. But the plan of today was a very simple thing. If we did end up closing below here, and I'll explain to you this trade here, 4-hour candles were closing bearish here, but we're in a range, and with previous daily candle closing bullish, if this flipped, we could see some upside, obviously, and it's kind of a mixed bias we have here, because if this continued going down, there's also an opportunity for price to continue selling down here. When we started going to the 1 hour time frame, we created a support here. 30 minutes started to create a support and close bullish here, and we got this quick moving candle that just broke the high. Not really an opportunity to enter. If we did close above and see a nice bottom wick, I could have had an entry opportunity here. And essentially what I was waiting for is I wanted to see some structure in this zone if I was going to take, and I dropped down to the lower time frames on the 5-minute, and I saw it reject once, tried to break the high, failed. Then the 15-minute open came, made a nice deep bottom wick, still respecting the low, and the 5-minute closed bullish. This is the 15-minute high. I noticed if we break this 15-minute high after creating the structure, I could have a nice opportunity to test towards the upside to the 1 hour resistance. You can see the trade here, break of the 15-minute high to test the 1 hour resistance, which was somewhere here. If I show you, there's that 1 hour resistance. Basically closed that there, plus like 11 pips or something. And yeah, that was basically the trade. And yeah, simple trade, small scalp, you know, and now we're kind of rejecting that zone. I could have held it if I'm looking back at that trade, which I'll note. I could have held it to the 15-minute resistance. Was a 15-minute trade, so the 15-minute is the target, but it was moving super fast and it hit that 1 hour resistance, and I was just like, okay, I can secure here. So I decided to secure here, and that was my personal decision. And yeah, you know, another positive, and that's basically the trading done. So let's get on with the day, and I'll keep you guys updated. So I hope you guys enjoyed that breakdown. The next thing I do now is if I need to go out and meet someone, I will go and finish all my meetings basically if I'm going out to meet, but I don't meet someone every single day. As I said, I'm giving you a realistic day in the life. I don't go to meet everyone every single day. And in reality, with technology these days, you can pick up a call and speak to them in the same way. So if I do that, I'll basically do this now. If not, then I'm gonna finish some other work, then I'm gonna get a meal, and then I'm gonna cut you guys straight to that. So I'm actually gonna head to the gym and I'm gonna bring you guys along, so let's cut straight into that. So guys, we're on our way to the gym now, and I just wanted to jump on here to just chat a little bit about giving things everything. You have to give things your all, right? You have to go all out. You have to go, if you're going to the gym or you're doing work, you have to test your mental strength all out. You have to give your work ethic all out, nutrition all out. All of these things has to be done to your maximum capability, because when you look back, you'll always question to yourself and ask yourself, what if I did give it everything, right? What if I did try my best? What would have changed, right? What would have I seen that would have been different? And that is not the what ifs that you want. You want things to know, okay, I have tried my best in this and these are the results, and you know, just keep pushing and striving for better. And that's really what's going to get you to the next level. And I mean, you know, take something like gym. Gym teaches you a lot. In order to succeed far in somewhere, you need discipline. And that's what gym does. Gym gives you discipline. Like, especially in trading, you guys need to have discipline and routine. You need to be able to repeat something over and over and over, and be able to do something without seeing results instantly. And I think this is the biggest problem people face, is that they expect to see results like this. But in reality, you have to be able to do something over and over and over and not get immediate results, and just keep pushing through. You know, it's really hard for a person to keep doing things over and over and over and over again and remain in the same place, to wake up day after day and give it their all and be at the same place at the end of that day. And it's a tough cycle to go in, but really, you know, it does pay off, and hard work will pay off eventually, but you guys have to give it consistency and time. And something like the gym really teaches you that, because you go to the gym, you give it your all, and you don't see results immediately. You don't walk out the gym with a bigger physique, better physique, or healthier physique. No, it's actually quite the opposite. You leave the gym with your muscles hurting and the recovery process, but that really teaches you not to have instant results, right? And that's what's going to get you far. So I thought I'll just jump on and give a little bit of that speech. My rant's kind of over now, and I'm pretty close to the gym now, so I'm gonna cut you into a few scenic scenes, and I'll catch you in the gym. Alright, so we pulled up to the gym now. Go inside. I'm taking a break so that you small boys can catch up. Go dummy, go beast, oh no. I go beast. Go deep, I OD, oh no. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat, oh no. Put that 500 degrees, oh no. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast, oh no. I go beast. Go deep, I OD, oh no. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat, oh no. Put that 500 degrees, oh no. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate, going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate, on time, never late. I grind, celebrate, no pump fake, hesitate. I've been scoring every day, champagne Perrier. Alright guys, wrapping up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for sticking to the end if you did. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed these type of videos, and I'll make more in the future. And with that being said guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.